This 2022 Forest River Sunseeker 2400BMBS is a Class C RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleep 6, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, external shower, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, LP detector, oven, awning, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2022 Forest River Sunseeker 2400BMBS is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.